Most of the time, we think that we have to earn more to be able to invest in real estate. But if you've only focused on your income, you could be missing out on the other side of the picture. So today, let's talk about the whole equation, which I call the offense and defense of cash flow. I'm Hendrik Maguan, and this is The Real Deal. Ever since my wife and I started investing in real estate, we've been focused on earning more in order to invest more. This approach has helped us grow our real estate portfolio. Finding ways to earn more or grow your cash inflow is what I call the offense side. This definitely can help you get to financial freedom sooner. Pero sa totoo lang, what often happens when we earn more is we fall into the trap of the lifestyle creep. Lifestyle creep happens when a former luxury becomes a new necessity as we gain more disposable income. This is hard to notice because it happens gradually. But some time ago, my wife and I realized that this was happening to us. Di naman kami bumibili ng mga luxury items, but we learned that by being more mindful of our spending habits, ang dami pa pala naming opportunities to reduce our expenses or cash outflow. This is what I call the defense side. Hindi ito sa pagiging kuripot or depriving yourself. It's about knowing the important things in your life, so you spend only on what is essential to you. So aside from earning more, I have a few suggestions on how you can fund your next real estate investment. First, minimize food delivery. Ngayon, sobrang convenient na mag-order ng food. Sometimes, you just can't help but to open the delivery app, tap away, and a few minutes later, dyan na ang milk tea mo. These days, mas madali na to give in to every craving that we might have. But these costs, well, they tend to add up. Especially if you find yourself ordering more and more often. So ano ba talaga goal mo? To gain weight or to gain wealth? I bet it's the latter. My next suggestion is to hit that subscribe button to learn how you can invest safely and smartly in real estate. Second, holding off on upgrades. Sure, there are things that we really need in our daily life. But sometimes, we buy things because of our constant need to upgrade to newer, better, faster, bigger. I get it. We always justify it to ourselves. But later on, we realize na hindi naman pala talaga natin kailangan. So for us, before we purchase a costly item, we made it a habit to ask, ano bang mangyayari pag hindi namin binili ngayon? This is a simple question, but I tell you, it could make a big difference. Most of the time, you would realize that you could hold off on it for another month, another year, or you don't even need it at all. Lastly, cancel your unused or rarely used subscriptions. Subscriptions are what I call the ninja expense. We get billed automatically, or worse, even pay automatically. We get so used to it that we don't even think about it anymore. Like a fitness class subscription that you only use once or twice. Subscriptions, while often small in amount individually, has a huge impact on reducing your spending. When adding them all up and looking at them annually, you'd be surprised. By cutting down on these three lifestyle creep areas, you could instantly save tens of thousands per month. So why not use this money you've saved up to invest in real estate that can instead earn you millions? If you want to know which locations and developments have high growth potential, schedule a free consultation with me by the link in the description. Remember, these are just some suggestions to improve the defense side of cash flow. The goal is to be aware of what is not essential to you and reduce your expenses there. Huwag mong i-cut out ang spending na essential pala sa buhay mo. By maximizing both the offense and defense of cash flow, you'll realize that you're fast-tracking your way to financial freedom. Thank you for watching. Are you ready to invest in real estate? Let me help you get the property that best suits your goals and maximizes your earning potential. I am affiliated with the most reputable and trusted developers, offering a wide range of affordable to luxury residential developments in Metro Manila and adjacent emerging cities. So sign up now for a free consultation with me by the link in the description. Let's get rich and financially free, one property at a time. Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.